Hello, my name is Razvan and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to make this 3D origami model, this 3D origami swan. It is a swan in shape of a basket with 3 roses. If you like my tutorials, please subscribe, rate and share my video. This is the rectangular for large 3D origami pieces. You will obtain 32 pieces like this from an A4 piece of paper. The dimensions are 5.4 by 3.6 centimeters, and I use normal printed paper 80 grams per square meter. And now I will make very quickly a 3D origami piece. If you are a beginner and you do not know how to make these 3D origami pieces, you will find a detailed tutorial in the description of the video. And this is the 3D origami piece. Put the edges in the pockets, push, and then with my finger or with a pen I give a very nice round shape. Now we start with the red pieces. I'll show you how I glue. I put some glue inside the pockets and then connect with other pieces like this. We go with 3 rows, 2 normal rows. These are normal rows that the round part of the piece is outside. And we put also an inverted row here. Inverted means that the round part is inside. And we connect pieces like this until we have 10 pieces in the first normal row, 9 pieces in the second normal row, and again 9 pieces in the inverted row here. Complete all these rows. And we need 2 parts like this. Now we glue these 2 parts together and we put 1 piece here in the second row, and then we put an inverted piece here, and now we close the circle and again we put 1 piece. I already put glue inside the pockets. Do not forget to glue every piece. And now we put the last inverted piece here. And now we have 3 rows, 1 inverted and 2 normal. Each row has 20 pieces. Now we put 3 red pieces, and then we complete the rest of the row with magenta pieces like this. Finish the row. I complete the entire row, and now we increase the number of pieces in a row, and we increase like this. First we put 1 red piece here, and then above we put one magenta here and one red. Then we put one normal and increase with one red here, and then we put two pieces above, and then we put one magenta, and from now we increase only with magenta pieces. We put one piece like this and two above, one normal, and increase again, and we repeat this until the end of the row. Finish the row after this model. Now we have 30 pieces in this last row, and now we put 3 red pieces here, then one magenta here, another one here, and then we put one pink, one magenta, one pink, one magenta. We repeat this until we complete the row. Do not forget to alternate the direction of the rows. If you go with a row in this direction, the next row go in the other direction. It is very important to maintain the model straight. And remember again, in the rows where we increase the number of pieces, we must put a little bit more glue. And now we finish the row. Start from here, we put one magenta, two red pieces, one magenta, and then we complete the entire row with pink pieces. Finish the row. Try to push these pieces with the same force. In time, with experience, it will be easy, but you must try to push these pieces with the same force.